Hi, this is Keith with How to Build Your Own Home, and a lot of subscribers have been asking about showers, prepping for showers, how do you get ready for a shower. And here we've got a shower on a slab on grade, and if you saw on some previous posts on this, this was a recessed shower. So when we poured the concrete, we actually recessed this shower 2 inches down, and that depth of 2 inches, this is a slab, here's the new tile. This tile is going to actually come right into the shower and start to bubble down. So we'll actually have a positive slope away from here and down into the drain. But what I wanted to show you here is some of the mechanics. This is something people very rarely see. This here is a bladder system. It's my favorite system. It's a proven system. It's been around for a very long time. Tile guys have been using this for 30 years. Basically what happens is they put the bladder system in, they cut the drywall like you see, about 8 or 9 inches up. And that was den shields. That was really your mold protection drywall that was there. They cut that out, and then they put the bladder all the way in there. They put the drain in there, and then they seal the drain. And then they fill it up with water. This here pan is filled with water. Most building departments are going to ask for a pan inspection. That's what this is. They want to come in, make sure that it's holding water. We indicate about when we fill the water. We put a mark on it over there. You see where the black mark is right over there. We'll get a picture of that for you. And it shows where the water was when we filled it. They come in, they see, oh, it's holding water. It's not leaking. We passed our pan inspection this morning. They're going to drain that, and then they're going to fill this up with a thin set, kind of a concrete base, a base of the tile of the shower. And then when that's cured, they're going to actually put the tile inside the shower and have a positive slope. The benefit of this design is it's a zero threshold, meaning that clients are not going to have to step over 3 or 4 or 5 inches just to get into the shower. They literally can walk right into the shower. Now, you can do this on a frame structure, but it takes some talent from your framer to be able to recess into that. And sometimes you have to cut into the floor joist to do that. Now, that means a lot of other engineering that's required to make that happen. This is easier with the slab on grade. If your concrete subcontractor is known about it in advance, and if they're okay with doing a 2-inch recessed build out. So when they pour the concrete, this is all recessed and framed out. So this gets less concrete, and the frame structure is right about there. So this here is a kind of a bladder system. Let me get off my knees there. It's kind of hard down there on the knees. We do have some den shield wrapped in here. So I'm excited. They'll actually fill this up today. And once that's cured, we'll start doing the tile. But this is really the real base of it. This is the underlying substrate that actually protects the shower from drainage, from leakage and whatnot. I've seen people literally have OSB on there or something like that, and then they cover it with the red guard here, and I've never seen that take. I've seen many owner builders just try to get a membrane, but there's nothing better than an actual rubber, thick membrane, because you're not going to have much of a problem. This here's been proving itself for a very long time. I know a lot of other people are going to mention some other products that are out there. I like when it deals with water, and you're always dealing with water, I make sure that something has been used for a long time and it's proven itself over a long period of time. I'm very skittish about technology that's new and hip and what have you, but how many years do we have under the belt of that technology? So that's what my take is on it. I want to find out how long it's been proving it. So anyway, this is a shower. I wanted to grab that real quick for you. These guys are going to get in here and start filling this up and prepping it for a tile. This is Keith Couch with How to Build Your Own Home.